Beans, that's a check talking. Take all your pants. Bitch, ain't no time for talking. Why me do my dance.
Hey, what is up everybody, welcome back to a new video. Guys, in this video I'm going to show you how do you start up with your YouTube channel. And it's going to be a really easy tips. I'm doing this video because a lot of people have been asking me how to get started with YouTube. What do you need and how it's going to come out at the end. So right now, without further ado, we're going to get straight into it. So let's get into step 1. Okay guys, so basic needs that everyone have to have before starting a YouTube channel. So first one is to have a headset. Everyone needs to have a headset so like they can hear people or they can hear the game good, and they can also, some headsets have mic, which is good for them. Some people buy mics with stands and stuff, like stand mic and stuff, which is very good because that one is better than using your headset from your mic from their headset. But if you don't have money to buy that, then you can just use the mic from your headset. It's good still, but the mic with the stand is better. Anyway, so yeah guys, you have to have a mic, some sort of mic to start a YouTube channel. That should be obvious because like you need a mic to freaking talk. So you need a mic to make a video. Anyway, but I prefer most people to get a headset to start in the beginning of YouTube, and then later on, once they start making money, then they can get a mic stand and do whatever they want. So yeah guys, basic need is some other basic needs you need if you want to make your channel about recording yourself. You need a camera. You need one of the most important one I'm gonna tell you guys is you need to know how to edit your videos. If you don't know how to edit your videos, I don't think you can make it. I mean, you can if you practice, but you need to learn how to edit your videos. So I think that's all for basic needs. You only need a headset, and you need like some sort of PS4, Xbox, PC, or your phone, which you can record videos on. So yeah guys, without further ado, let's just jump into the next step. Okay, so you need a content to make good viewers and good subscribers, good amount of subscribers. You need a very good video. So meaning is that you just cannot upload any video. Like if you just play Fortnite, you just upload any game. No, it has to be either a good game, it has to have a video with like a goal, like to show people something. Like one of my videos is how to make your PS4 faster. A lot of videos I made on how to make your PS4 faster. Why? Because it helps people make their PS4 faster, and that's the goal. Some videos I made is like Fortnite best kills, and that's to show people my Fortnite best kills I've ever got on Fortnite. So it's a little complicated, but the thing is you need to make a good content. You cannot just upload anything, and you need to either make it helpful or entertaining or like learning type of way, which all connect to helpful. So yeah, it's either gonna be helpful or entertaining. Yeah guys, that's really all for the content. You really just need to, one more thing I forgot to mention is don't ever clickbait, because clickbait might get you views, but it's not gonna get you subscribers. It's definitely gonna take your subscribers away, and that is not a good thing at all. So you don't want to clickbait and then lose your subscribers. And then once you get popular, then you'd be like, ooh, they'd be like, ooh, he was the one that clickbaited, now he's popular. So stuff like that. Like you don't want to do that. You don't ever want to clickbait, unless it's like a clickbait season. I'm just kidding, guys. But there was a clickbait season last year, which everybody like I'll tell you guys about it later. It was with Aldo's World and Mosorgi and everybody in that place. If you guys know them, smash that like button. Anyway guys, let's jump into step 3. Thumbnail is the most important thing in the whole YouTube career. Why? Because every time you upload a video, you have to put a thumbnail, because people be looking at the picture of the video. Like me personally, I don't get in the video unless I see this picture on the title. If they are like the same thing I want, I click on it, Let's say you're playing Fortnite and you get 30 kills. You're not just gonna put a picture of a tree in there like as a thumbnail. you're gonna put a picture of saying Fortnite 30 kills and then like a nice picture of your skin or something like that. So that's a good thumbnail. Some people don't want to do thumbnails. I don't know, or they're too lazy or something. And they asking why videos are not getting popular. Probably that's why. A good thumbnail and a good video title. If you just like, let's get back to our example. Get 30 kills on Fortnite, and you put the title, "Oh, I won a game in Fortnite." That's not gonna get you a lot of views. No, the good title to be for that is, sorry, hold on, I gotta think of it. You gotta think of it. You can't just say it. But it's gonna have to be something with 30 kills, eliminations, Fortnite Battle Royale, Season 8. You know, you have to name everything, and you can make your title as long as you want. It don't really matter how long it is, but I think don't make it too long and don't make it too low. Like, make it in a medium size. So yeah guys, this is the most important step yet. So this is the most important step yet. I think this is the most important step in the whole video, guys. Honestly, thumbnail. People ignore it. I don't know why, but it is the most important thing. Now, if you guys don't know how to get the custom thumbnail, comment down below and I'll make a video on how to get custom thumbnail. Because you have to do something to get it. Alright? So right now guys, let's jump into the next step. Okay guys, so this is the last step in the whole video. It's a really easy one. All what you gotta do, guys, is communicate with your subscribers. So you're gonna say, how am I gonna communicate with subscribers? There's multiple ways. If you reach like 1,000 subscribers, you can get a community tab. That community tab makes you send posts on YouTube and let you communicate more with your subscribers. That's one. But if you're lower than 1,000, be like, oh, I don't have that. There is comment section. Obviously, you can tell your subscribers to comment down below if they like the video. I always do that in my videos. Tell people, like, comment down below what they think. Comment down below what they want me to upload next. Like, ask your subscribers what they want to see from your channel, and don't always go with like wait for them to tell you. Always make some new ideas and new things. That should be obvious. You're supposed to be creative to be a YouTuber. I mean, even if you're not creative, you can still try to be creative. You know what I'm saying? So it's really not that hard. But yeah, guys, this is the last step of the video. All what you gotta do is be creative and communicate with your subscribers. If the video gets a lot of dislike, then there's a problem. So make sure you like fix everything and fix the problems, guys. And one more thing I gotta say to add to this step is, don't get any strikes. Don't copy others' video and make your own. So yeah guys, that's all for the video. Thank you so much for watching. Like and subscribe. See you guys in my next video, and peace out.